How to manage call history in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Meet application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Also make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection. Next, tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then tap on settings. As you tap on settings, tap on the general section or your account section to have a deeper knowledge. Next is to tap on the history option that pops up over here. So as you tap on history, you can see there are three options: auto delete, delete all history, and export history. Now just tap on delete all history and this will delete all your call history as well as all your messages and everything. So just tap on delete and you'll be able to manage call history in Google Meet. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.